welcome back to the channel. So real quick unboxing of the Amazon Link amp. I had the Amazon Link before, I say maybe 2 years ago, and I returned it. It worked and everything. I just wanted to get something better, and I got plenty of other hi-fi music streamers after that. And what I'm currently running right now is the Node 2. So my main journey into the 2 channel was to not be able to turn on the home theater to listen to music. I wanted to, slim it down, just have 1 or 2 pieces that turn on to listen to music. So that's why I decided to go 2 channel. So you guys know I brought the B1s for the 2 channels, for the 2 speakers, and I had brought I was using the Node to stream the music, and I was using the A2M amp from Emotiva to power the speakers. Now I got rid of the Emotiva amps because it wasn't connected to music like how this would be, meaning that this had like Spotify Connect in it, and all other streaming platforms have built inside already, in addition of a 2-channel amp, which is more powerful than the A2M, unbelievably. But the DAC in here is not as good as the Node, but this is just for 2-channel, not really a serious 2-channel enthusiast like that. But this DAC in here is good enough to play the music. So enough rambling. I'm just gonna unopen the box, but basically I'm replacing the A2M with this. So let's get into the unboxing.